Hi, I'm Patrick Neiman. I'm from Los Angeles, California. I'm interested in chemical engineering. And one thing that I learned at camp was probably actually the existence of the petroleum engineering major. I learned that it's basically a more specialized version of chemical engineering into more oil and gas fields. And I really didn't know that the field or that major even existed before I came to camp. So I just viewed it more broadly as part of chemical engineering. Okay, go.
Hi, my name is Rebecca. I'm from Houston, Texas, and I aspire to be a biomedical engineer. One thing I want to do in the future is make healthcare more accessible by making artificial organs with materials that are way cheaper than an actual human heart.
My name is Rachel. I'm from Aledo, Texas. I'm also interested in biomedical engineering, and in the future, I want to work in some kind of tissue or prosthetic engineering.
Go for it. Oh no.
My name is Ugana. I'm from Wiley, Texas, and I'm interested in electrical and computer engineering. And what I like about engineering is creating things.
Okay. Hi. Oh. Hi, I'm Dana. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I want to major in mechanical engineering because it's a very broad major where I can then focus on more the biomedical part of it because I am interested in pursuing that as a job. In this camp, I learned how to problem solve mainly because there was many challenges between learning and building our robots that we will show you in a little bit and how to fix them.
Hi, my name is Rhea. I'm from Princeton, New Jersey, and I'm interested in mechanical engineering because I really like math, and mechanical engineering is a really broad field, so I feel like I could do a lot of different things with it. And something I learned in camp was what each of the majors are about, and specifically what being in that major at UT is all about.
Hi, my name is Paloma. I'm from San Antonio, Texas, and my major that I'm interested in is environmental engineering. This week I learned a lot of things, especially about pervious materials in concrete from the petroleum engineer.
Cool. Okay, I'm Tong. I'm from Houston, Texas, and I'm interested in mechanical engineering. And the thing I like about engineering the most is the problem-solving process. Like today, when we made the robots, I got pretty emotional. It was great. Okay.
Go.
My name is Alberto Rayon. I am from Grapevine, Texas, and I am interested in mechanical engineering. One thing that I learned about camp is that although I do feel like I'm going to end up choosing mechanical engineering, I learned a lot about biomedical engineering and what that entails, and it's definitely something that maybe in the future I would consider studying.
Hi, my name is Roel. I'm from Houston, Texas. A major I'm interested in is computer science. Something I learned about computer science is coding. Coding where you are able to communicate with some type of program and control it and what it could do.
Hi, my name is Andrew, and I'm from Austin, Texas. And my interested majors are electrical and computer engineering or computer science. And something I learned at camp is that I don't want to pursue petroleum engineering.
I don't want to pursue petroleum engineering. Hi, my name is Hong. I'm from Houston, Texas. I plan on majoring in computer science or software engineering. And one thing I learned at the MITE camp is that the fundamentals of engineering is very broad and universal for any type of major that I want to pursue.
Hi, my name's Brett. I'm from Weimar, Texas, and I'm either interested in pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer science or informatics. And this camp really taught me a lot of the design elements that have to go when creating projects on your own, and it was really an enlightening experience.
I'm Jaden Arnold from Leander, Texas, and I learned about different kinds of engineering at camp this week.
I'm Luke Mercado from Edina, Minnesota, and I learned about how the different types of engineering relate to me, and the one that interested me the most is architectural engineering.
I'm Adam Selby from Richmond, Virginia. I'm interested in computer engineering, and I learned the difference between civil engineering and architectural engineering.
I'm DK from Round Rock, Texas, and I learned about all the different types of engineering, and the one that interests me the most is electrical and computer engineering.
Hi, I'm Christina. I'm from Katy, Texas. I want to be an environmental engineer, and something I learned at camp was that concrete is cool.
Hello, my name is Sean Walker. My hometown is in Houston, Texas. I want to major in mechanical engineering, and something I learned at camp was that microscopic gold looks red.
My name is Sebastian. I'm from Austin, Texas. My major interest is mechanical engineering. I learned that mechanical engineering at UT is a lot more broad than I expected. I expected it to be a lot more narrow and more so about mechanical design, but there's a lot more stuff in it, such as thermodynamics and material science. And this is my
robot that I built. It's mostly stock, but I didn't do a few modifications. I modified the claw and removed two top plates so that I can grip balls better. I added a little back plate so that balls don't just roll out the back, which was happening. I also added some really jank support to make this less wobbly. And I got bored and made a double reverse 4-bar. On the back is kind of like a poker, kind of. And it works. The actual double reverse 4-bar is attached to the actual servo for the shooter because the amount of servos is kind of sad on these robots. And yeah, just pick up the bar. I also tried to modify the shooter to go for far distance instead of just going vertically, but the servo did not like that, and I couldn't edit the times on the actual servo to be faster to accommodate for that, so I had to put it back to normal mode. But it works.
Hi, my name is Noel Hernandez. I'm from Houston, Texas. I am greatly interested in mechanical engineering, and I learned that computer science plays a part in almost every aspect of engineering here at UT, from chemical engineering to petroleum to the basics of mechanical.
This is my basic robot. Only modification I did was add a shovel up front to flip people up, or just dig. It's a robot, you gotta do something simple. And yeah, that's it, still got the launcher intact. And these are my robot's basic abilities: demolition and construction. The greatest control I've ever made. Come on. There you go. Oh wait, there we go. Nice.
Hello, my name is Annika. I'm from San Antonio. My major interest is in biomedical engineering, and something I learned at camp are the different classes and tracks that different engineering majors at UT have to take.
And I make my robot spin. And then it can also spin to the other way. Yeah, there it is.
Alright, my name is David Ferreira. I am from Western Florida, and my
major of interest is mechanical engineering. Something I learned at this camp is more about biomedical engineering and how it's more broad, and also about petroleum engineering. What I did to my bot is I made the claws bigger, and I added this at the top so it could trap the ball inside and I could shoot it.
My name is Isaiah Villarreal. I'm from El Paso, Texas, and my major of interest is aerospace engineering. Here at MITE, I learned a lot about what it means to be an actual engineer and how to succeed after college. On my bot, I made a few modifications to my claw, and then a few modifications to the basket and the shooter on top.
My name is Evan Long. I'm from Los Alamos, New Mexico. My major of interest is mechanical engineering. And what I learned at camp is I really do have an affinity for mechanical engineering. And I also learned a bunch more about all the engineering majors offered here at Cockrell. Most of the modifications I made on my robot are I took off these sidewalls to use the parts from it. I changed my claws quite a bit. I added a little thing on the back to keep it from being flipped over. I added a much larger basket moved further back, so when my claws pick up from further away, it can roll in. And then I added these on the tip of my shooter to keep balls from rolling out.
Okay, my name's Christine and I'm from Richmond, and the major I want to study is chemical engineering. And what I learned at the camp was the different technical tracks that you could take in the variety of engineering majors that they have, and how UT provides a lot of resources to support their students in those. And this is the robot that I built.
Hi, my name is Nithya and I am from Frisco, Texas, and the major that I'm interested in is mechanical engineering. And one of the things that I learned at this camp is how I could incorporate my programming passion into mechanical engineering, and I learned a little bit about like the computer science certificate, and also I was able to explore the variety of options in engineering and get a better idea of engineering, since I came into this camp not really knowing that engineering was the thing for me.
Okay, go for it.
I'm Kaylin, I'm from Dallas, and my major interest is mechanical engineering. And I learned that all the different degrees of engineering overlap, so that if you get one degree, it's possible to do something else.
My name is Anna, I'm from Houston. My major interests are chemical and mechanical engineering, and I learned about all the different minors and certificates you can get at UT.
Wait, it just started?
Hi, my name is Divyan Shoy. I'm from Dallas, Texas. I'm interested in mechanical engineering because I like how things move and how things operate. I'll be showing you my bot.
He's my first. My name is Davis Ceballos. I'm from El Paso, Texas. I still haven't chosen my major, but I'm thinking between aerospace or ECE. And this is my robot. It could go. It's meant to flip his. And yeah.
Okay, I'm Ben. I'm from Joplin, Missouri. And one major I'm pretty interested in right now is computer engineering or civil engineering. I'm leaning a little bit more towards computer engineering because I built my own PC and I really like doing that sort of thing. My bot is sort of like supposed to look like the Longhorn, and it's supposed to just charge into his and knock his off.
I got more traction.